Thank you for stopping by. Andrew from Webex Events. Quick demo here, going to show you guys today on what Socio, now Webex Events, can do for you guys. So lots of great things here to showcase, right? Got a big overview here of everything end to end, right? So registration, starting with that, the ticketing aspect, the check-in and badge printing. We have a live example we're going to show here just momentarily. The event platform, the mobile app and the desktop side. So one backend to manage that, to keep it all in one place, all of that data you've gathered all in one area. And then the streaming aspect. So we got a couple things we're going to show today on this screen to keep you guys in tune of what all we can offer. And so starting real quick with registration, I'm going to jump into that real quick. Wanted to showcase really everything we have, right? From that ticketing efforts, getting people excited on the event, right? Everything you can imagine to get those efforts in there, what to expect at the event, right? All the branding, marketing, locations, ticketings you have, even changing languages, so even 34 languages or so, to whatever's best native speak for that individual attending. Moving through to any changing text, right? Any ticketing examples, you can say reserve my spot, change out all the about sections, everything in here to then create that most custom experience for all the ticketings you can have. So whether it's free, paid, early bird, any sort of promo code, access code, discount codes, you can apply all this here on the back end so that on that front end for that attendee, they're really seeing everything they can imagine here. You can hide tickets, create that custom feel depending on that attendee's journey as they move throughout registration. So just to give an example here, I'm going to be a virtual attendee today. I'm going to register my ticket. Once I click get ticket, it's going to take me to the checkout form area. So we can then populate all those questions we've created for that attendee. Going through the process, we can ask those questions to give them that custom feel in the event itself. So whether it's first name, last name, email, all the way down to uploading resume files, or whatever the case is, terms and conditions. This is going to take us also to the payment processing area. We partner with Stripe primarily, but you can use any payment processor in there as well. So just another piece to remember, we don't hold any fees or charge any fees or hold any funds. So everything you see here is a basic credit card fee to keep everybody moving throughout the event. Once the attendee completes registration, they'll get a QR code then to then register, and then that'll take us to the badge printing or any areas to scan later at the event. So that's registration. I'm going to take us back to the main page here. So moving through registration, one last thing, we do have an email marketing tool that is conclusive in registration. So another great way to get the word out, right? Get people on that platform to register, reserve their spot. We're going to get a QR code for that registration that we'll see over here at badge printing. So come with me over here to badge printing. We're going to take us over how that could work and how that can function. So everything here, as you see guys today, really the hardware for the badge printing rentals to create that on-site experience, right? The routers, getting that sent out there, the iPads, iPad stands, of course the printer, and all the badge stock and things you would need to really make this on-site experience that much more meaningful. So we would send out that hardware, but as you can see here, we have the on-site software in addition to make that feel from registration to that on-site piece most seamless. A couple ways to check in here. We have a couple example badges here, and I'll just show you how a badge could look and giving that QR code example there. Yep, and so really having E in here as an example, we're going to show how that could work. I can quickly come in here at the event, scan my QR code, just making sure that this, my profile to that date is most up to date. Any promotions or kind of changes in the name, we can allow for that attendee to change out, make that most accurate to that day of the event, and then simply click print badge, and within just a few seconds, we're having that attendee checked in through the event. All of the branding and throughout is custom out. And we can have this badge printed and it's ready to go.